Today we'll be going over how to add an audience to your Centurion Elite. First, open up a web browser and type in the IP address of your Centurion Elite. Note that your IP address will be unique to your system. Next, type in the name and password you've been given to log into your Centurion Elite. Click the Login button. Once logged into the system, go to the left-hand side navigation pane. There, we'll scroll over Audience and we'll go out to the word List and click on the list. This will pull up the Audience listing screen. Now, once we see all the audiences listed here, we see staff and system admin, we see the uses, and then we see the outputs below them. If I want to know more about what sensors are connected to an audience, I can click on the audience and click Dependencies. Inside the State Dependency screen, you'll see every sensor connected to that audience. Now, we'll go ahead and add a new audience. By clicking Add, we'll be asked to put in a name for the audience. So in this one, we'll use the word Example. Additionally, there's two other options you can use on this screen. You can use the local speaker or use all alerts. Use all alerts is a reference to our PC alert software sold separately from your Centurion Elite. Once I'm done, I'll click the Add button, which will add the audience and bring us to the Update Audience Details page. Once on this screen, you'll again notice the two checkbox options from the previous screen. If we'd like to add the speaker, I'll check this box and I'll click Update. This has updated the audience, but only needs to be used in that details section. To add a radio to the audience, click on a radio under Excluded Radios and drag and drop it into Included Radios. Note this automatically will save after you drop the radio. The next section is the calling capability of the Centurion Elite. To add a phone number to the calling list, type in the number, and then you're going to choose between one of two options. You can choose to make it a voice call, or if it's a data function, click Data. For this one, we'll choose Voice. Now, to add an email address to the Centurion Elite, type in the email address that you'd like to receive the notification and click Add. Text messaging in the Centurion Elite is done via email to text. In order to do this, type in the phone number of the person you wish to receive the notification, followed by the appropriate carrier domain for email to text. Once entered, click Add. If relay modules have been purchased for your Centurion Elite, you will find those at the bottom of the audience here in Relay Channels. Note this system does not currently have any relay modules attached. Once complete, you can go up to the top and hit Back. Your system is now set up with an audience. We can see here now that Example has 0 uses, but it does have a radio, phone, email, text message, as well as a local speaker. In the event you decide you no longer need an audience, simply click on the audience, go to the bottom, and you can click Delete. The system will ask if you're sure, and we are, so we're going to hit Yes. You've now deleted an audience from your Centurion Elite. And there you have it. You've now added and removed an audience from your Centurion Elite. If you should happen to have any other questions beyond what was covered in this video, please feel free to reach out to a technician by visiting our website, response-technologies.com.